Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to go to space for free. Your name anyway, so let's get started. Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to get this free boarding pass with your name on it to go to outer space. And you're gonna put your name in a flash drive to be sent to outer space, so if an alien do pick it up, then they know where to find you and maybe take you to space, and who knows what they're gonna do to you. Close encounters of the third kind. So here's my boarding pass. See, mas guwapo ako, pugi. And my mileage earned is 1,300,000 miles. And launch date is at the launch site is at Kennedy Space Center. And lunar orbit, the spacecraft is Orion. And this is, you can get this boarding pass, and you can print it out, display it, whatever you want to do with it. So in order to get this pass and a chance for your name to go to space, you gotta go to this website. I'll put the link of in the description below, so you can just click the link. All right. So this is like https dot www.nasa.gov/send your name with Artemis, or you can just click the link in the description below. Alright, so far it's been it has already got 2,688,175 and 175 boarding pass claim, so you can get yours too. It's free. And get your boarding pass, you can click here. I'll just take it down there, and you can read it what you want. You can read it here. Artemis will be the first uncrewed flight test of the Space Launch System rocket, and the Orion spacecraft. The flight paves the way towards landing the first woman and the first person of color on the moon. I hope it's me. I also want to be the first one to die in space, so hopefully it's me. So you can add your name here and have it included on a flash drive that will fly aboard Artemis I. So in order for you to do that, you can just click here. You put your name, you put your last name, and pin code. You can put any number you want. Alright? So it doesn't really matter what number you want. 4 to 7, and click submit, and you'll get this boarding pass. That's simple. And I didn't do any account. I think you could do search, but I didn't do it. So that's it. It's simple. It's more information on what's gonna happen in the rockets anyway. So this is it. All you need to do is put your name, your last name, and your PIN code. You don't even have to put your real name. It's up to you. That's why I put my real name, because I'm Pugi. Only Filipino will understand this one. Alright, so that's it. That's how you put your name in space. If you want to go to space, your name anyway to go space, then this is your opportunity to put your name on and send it out to space for an alien to find, and who knows what they're gonna do if they don't find it. Alright, that's it. Just go to this website and put your name. No address, no email required. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Live long and prosperous, and nanu nanu.